What a wonderful place! Today I'm really happy to show you a special property. A villa nestled in the first hill, just 10 minutes, perhaps less, from the sea, behind Imperia. From here you can reach the city and the Marina. And have you seen the view? Are you ready? I can't wait to show you this property. Come with me. A beautiful garden surrounds the property. Can you imagine this beautiful space with your friends or family? And I want to show you a special place. This one is probably my favorite place. It's the moment to go inside. Are you curious? Follow me. Welcome in this lovely living room. Here we have the relax area, and have you seen the fireplace? The bathroom dedicated to the living area. It is really comfortable. From here you can reach the upstairs floor where you can find a double bedroom. This is the upper floor, refined with parquet of olive tree, with a first room that is a sleeping room, connected with another room, perfect for large families. This is the lower floor that can be thought as an independent apartment. It is connected to the garden, and it is composed by a tiny bedroom, a second bedroom, and a living room. And at the end, the bathroom dedicated to this floor. Today I showed you a charming villa, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large land plot with olive trees, swimming pool, storages and service spaces. It is a masterpiece in the hills of Imperia. Check out our website.